Now, I would never advise you or anybody else to purposely fly the Mini 3 Pro or any drone for that matter in the pouring down rain. Which actually, it's not even pouring as much as it was when this thing was actually flying in the rain. But I'm going to tell you for a fact that this drone made it. It survived. It got a lot of water around where the gimbal is. Behind the gimbal, there was water in these little vents right here. And it's actually pretty much dry on the bottom. But I'm going to tell you that, yeah, this drone right here, the Mini 3 Pro from DJI, survived a downpour. And unfortunately, because I was in photo mode at the time, and because I had panicked, I forgot how to flip it quickly into video mode. So I have no proof of that. But I'm just telling you guys, well, you should try to get to return to home as quickly as possible if it does start downpouring, or if it even starts drizzling a little bit. But other than that, you know, just don't panic too much. The main thing I did is I used a blow dryer when I got back to the house, and I blew dry the battery compartment. Oh, the other thing is, as soon as I landed it, I shut it down, and then once I got in my car, I removed the battery, and then I dried everything off as much as I could with a towel, and then once I got back home, which was about a 20-minute, 15-minute drive, put a blow dryer and blew out as much as the wetness as possible. And again, mostly towel dry, but the blow dryer, I guess, got rid of the rest of it. And then I didn't turn the drone on for about, I'm going to say 20 hours. But yeah, good times. Some people recommend turning the drone on because apparently that heats it up too. But, again, I don't recommend flying it if you can avoid the rain. But yeah, this thing is a little beast, let me tell you. This is a little beast of a drone, worth every penny. Beautiful imagery. I can't wait to do a 30-day evaluation of this thing.